Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure Windows 11 is updated and your work is saved, because we're restarting shell components. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, find Windows Explorer, then right-click and choose Restart. This refreshes the taskbar process and often restores missing icons immediately. Once done, give the shell about 5 to 10 seconds to reload. If icons return, you're mostly done. If not, don't worry, the next slide dives into deeper fixes that adjust settings and caches. Next, clear corrupted caches and verify taskbar settings to fix persistent missing icons. Open File Explorer, enable hidden items, then go to %localappdata %Microsoft \Windows\Explorer and delete icon cache and thumb cache files. These rebuild on reboot. After deletion, sign out or restart the PC so Windows reconstructs icon data. While you wait, open Settings, right arrow Personalization, right arrow Taskbar, and toggle the system icons and app badges off then on to force a refresh. This addresses cache corruption. Finally, repair individual apps and run system repairs to restore icons that still won't appear. In Settings, right arrow Apps, select problematic apps and choose Repair or Uninstall, then reinstall from Microsoft Store when applicable. Next, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix system files. If icons persist missing, create a new local user to rule out profile corruption or roll back the last system update. One tip: keep a restore point before major changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.